I'm going to show you how to wire up a headlight, a tail light, turn signals, on and off switch, a relay, and a control module. So the first thing you want to do anytime you have lights is you want to ground them to the battery terminal. So we want to take our tail light ground wire and connect it to the negative terminal of the battery. Take our right turn signal light and connect the negative wire to the negative terminal. Same thing on the left side. Take the negative wire and connect it to the negative side of the battery. Headlight is the same deal. Take the negative wire from the headlight and connect it to the negative terminal of the battery. Now, what we want to happen is we want our headlight and our tail light to turn on and off with the switch. So in order to do that, just like the last video, same process repeats. You're going to take the power wire from the tail light and connect it to the black wire of the switch. Take the power wire from the headlight and connect that also to the black wire of the switch. Then you're going to take your green wire and connect that to the power or the positive terminal of your battery. So next I'm going to show you how to wire up your switch relay to your control module, from your control module to your turn signal lights. First things first, your switch relay will have an input and an output. The input will get power from the battery. The output will be connected to your control module. From your control module, you will have multiple different color wires indicating horn, turn signals, headlight, low beam, any other accessories on that module. In this case, I'm going to have a blue wire for the left turn signal, an orange wire for the right turn signal, and a gray wire for power. When purchasing a control module, there should be a wiring diagram showing you which wire does what and which wire receives power from the 12-volt battery. First thing you want to do is grab a red wire and connect it to the battery terminal on the positive side and wire that to the input of the switch relay. Take another red wire, connect that to the output of the switch relay and wire that to the power wire of your control module, which in this case mine is gray. Then you're going to take your left turn signal wire and connect that to your left turn signal light, which will connect to the red wire of your turn signal. Same thing like the left turn signal. You're going to take your right turn signal wire, which in my case is orange, and connect that to the red wire of your right turn signal. So now you have a complete circuit where you can turn your headlights on and off. You can go to your control module and turn your signal lights left or right, regardless of this switch being on or off. This will allow you to run your signal lights during the day or during the night. I know the wiring seems a little complex, but if you follow through it very carefully, it'll be very simple. Make sure when purchasing your control switch module that you read through the diagram to show you which wires do what. The turn signals, there has to be at least 3 wires. 1 wire for the left turn signal, which is blue in my case. 1 wire for the right turn signal, which is orange in my case. And a power wire, which will be gray for me.